Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kelempung Yelaikai Chief Minister State Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Arajar Arpulai kelas sedang hagalai puai terik ujemang Sports Authority of India Training Center Shillong. Hagani kelempung Yelaikai kebalai sengi lawan banyak sembenta de kinhon Yelaikai jong kikan artli district jong kejenla. La play yang kelempung de director ketanat Yelaikai ke kong Isa Wanda lalu kepala longkum ke kong San haringkat kejinga dondang working president ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association ubak John F. Karshiying kumusembut kongsan ki assistant director kata ubak Paila War Nongbri bar ubak kro pasa ki district sports officer ki coach ki kena school bat ki wei ya kini ke lempung la phya ha ki lai tli ki kerdan yele kai jong ki kena shenrang bat kenthai ki bakintup ya ka under 14 under 16 but under 18 ki jing yele kai ki kintup ya ki jing ya kop mare ba pher nang ta long jump high jump shot put, discus but javelin throw. Haus nem baladab ke North Garo Hills kalayo ora ya kenam lado hinrei ke jingkeli menta kalong manu ban yo ora menta usnem.
State level inter-school athletic meet 2023 open. All the very best to everyone. Is organized every year by the Directorate with the purpose to encourage young athletes, to groom them to pursue excellence in the field, and particularly to allow us to spot and to identify talented youth to participate in future tournaments and competitions in the state, in the country, and perhaps even on the international platform. As John Karshiying has stated, the objective of bringing you all here is so that we can find out who is the best amongst the best, and we hope that during this 3-day event many of you will end up breaking records. We have seen from the last year that the state has, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and our Sports Minister, has convened a number of events at the state level We had the Northeast Olympic Games, which was a signature event in the history of Meghalaya, conducted last year along with MSOA, and we have been hosting the Meghalaya Games this year as well. We'll be hosting the Meghalaya Games. So such events, we want to ensure that they are conducted with frequency and they see a good participation from different areas of Meghalaya, and most importantly that they are conducted with the right spirit. We ensure quality, we ensure that our athletes are treated well, because we want them to get the best so that their prowess on the athletic field
going to do. And I see you have a lot of programs ahead of you in the next few days. I just want to say that the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, in collaboration with the Department of Sports, the Government of Meghalaya, we have been able to slowly but surely move forward. As you now know, you have cash awards if you win at the state level. You also have a scholarship which the government has initiated from this year for all the medal winners. And there are so many incentives in the Meghalaya sports policy of 2019. I would request all of you to go through this sports policy. It has a lot of incentives, it has a lot of guidelines, and the government is slowly and surely now putting in place the implementation plan on how to move forward.